Do you feel sad? Do you feel anxious, depressed? Do you have panic attacks or fearful and you're afraid you're not going to get your manifestation? Then this video is for you because that's what we're going to be talking about today. And I can assure you that all the people who told you you need to vibrate high, that's the only way you're going to manifest, are talking shit, is one of the biggest lies I've ever heard. You can manifest no matter what, no matter how you feel, no matter what your mood is, and I will explain. But before I do, I have great news. I've been working for 7 months on something what will help you to change and increase significantly your income levels. So if you're starting a business, if you're being in a business and your levels of income are not increasing the way you would like to, please watch my Sunday's video because I will be able to get you to a place where I will be able to help you do that. I know you're tired. We're all tired of not getting what we want, and I'll show you how easy it is. So watch Sunday's video. And let's go back to not feeling great. So you're anxious, you're not getting your manifestation. You may have a depression, you're not feeling good, you're worried, you're fearful, you could be depressed, and you saying that that actually has anything to do with your manifesting abilities and you're not going to get your manifestation. This couldn't be more wrong. Before I sorted my life out, I was beyond depressed. I will tell you my story one day soon. But before then, it wasn't pretty. It was almost costing me my life. And I still manifested everything I wanted. Nothing can stop you. It doesn't matter what mood you're in, what state of mood you're in. The only thing which matters is if you believe that you're going to get what you want. If you believe that and you know it's happening and you know you're going in the right direction, you can be crying, you can be screaming, you can be doing whatever, and it doesn't matter. It will not affect your manifestation because it is your beliefs which manifest, not your mood. This vibrating high is blah, 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 blah. Do you know how many very happy people there are in the world who are absolutely penniless and don't have the family they want? Tons. That defies this logic, doesn't it? And they're extremely miserable people, beyond miserable, who are billionaires. So let's stop this bullshit that your mood dictates whether you're getting your manifestation or not. No, it doesn't. Your beliefs do. So if you believe that you get what you want no matter what, and you cannot fuck it up, which you can't, you will get it. Even if your world is going down the toilet, you're still getting what you want. Your mood has nothing to do with it. Your beliefs do. So if you start carrying the belief, I cannot fuck this up, I always get my manifestations, there's nothing what can take it away from me, you will be right. But you will also be right if you say, well, I'm in a bad mood, I'm depressed, anxious, so I will not manifest. Well, you're also right. So it's up to you. Do you see how this works? Whatever you believe to be true has to be proven true to you in your reality. So start thinking that you cannot mess it up, you cannot screw it up, you cannot fuck it up, you're still getting it. And so I had a cry, so what? What does it have to do with my manifesting? Nothing. Are we getting there, people? Are we understanding this? I hope we are, because this is your turning point. This is where everything in your life changes, and you're going to be fine. That's a promise. Just keep believing that you always get what you want, and no matter what your mood is, you're going to manifest. It happened to me just last night. Someone really drove me crazy, and I made sure, they know about it. It was horrible. It was something I don't happen in a second. And I still manifested exactly what I wanted to manifest that evening. It had nothing to do. Actually, you know what? I'll tell you something else. When the energies go funny and they're spiraling around you, and you go from I'm very happy into what the fuck just happened, it's almost a sign that a great manifestation is coming, like within seconds and minutes. So stop being afraid. You have nothing to be afraid of. You will manifest what you want no matter what's thrown at you, no matter what you have to go through. Just hold the belief that it's yours, period. It's happening. It has happened. Fuck this. And stop worrying about the bullshit. Come on. We don't have time for this, do we? Live your life and stop overanalyzing shit. Just know you're gonna get what you want, period. Okay, fantastic. And guys, watch your Sunday video because I'll reveal more about how to increase your income. And until then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.